welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be looking at a great beginner's crystal, and that is black tourmaline, a crystal known for its potent protective energies. We will look into the incredible benefits, history and practical uses of this crystal. But before we begin, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crystal-based content. So sit back, relax, and we can begin. Let's explore how black tourmaline is formed. This mineral is part of the Tourmaline group and has a fascinating origin involving geological processes. It can actually be formed in 7 different ways, so buckle up because it's quite complex. Here is a simplified version of how black tourmaline comes to be. Number 1. Black tourmaline often forms in igneous and metamorphic rocks. When magma cools and solidifies deep within the earth, it creates like pockets where minerals like black tourmaline crystallize over time. In metamorphic processes, heat and pressure cause existing minerals to rearrange, leading to black tourmaline formations. Black tourmaline can also be formed through hydrothermal processes. Hot water with dissolved minerals circulates through cracks in the Earth's crust. As this water cools, it deposits minerals, including black tourmaline, into these cracks. Over time, these mineral deposits grow and create veins within the rock. Number 3, black tourmaline is sometimes found in pegmatite deposits. These are special igneous rocks with large crystals. Due to slow cooling, pegmatites allow for the growth of large crystals like black tourmaline alongside other minerals too. The process of forming black tourmaline takes millions of years and is influenced by factors like geological conditions, pressure, temperatures, and chemical elements. This results in the unique crystal structure and deep black colour that defines black tourmaline. Throughout its history, civilizations around the world have recognised black tourmaline's remarkable protective qualities. In ancient times, it was often used as a powerful talisman and amulet believed to shield the wearer from negative energies, evil spirits, and harm. Many cultures, from ancient Egypt to indigenous tribes, embraced black tourmaline as a guardian of personal energy and well-being. In various spiritual practices, black tourmaline was revered for its grounding influence. Shamans and healers used this stone to connect with the earth's stabilizing energies, thus enhancing their ability to channel healing energies. Its ability to cleanse and purify energy fields made it an essential tool for spiritual ceremonies and rituals. Some tales spoke of the stone's origins deep within the earth, where it was believed to capture the power of thunderstorms, grounding lightning's energy. Others told stories of black tourmaline serving as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms and guiding individuals through their life journeys. In ancient warrior cultures, black tourmaline was often carried into battle as a source of protection. It was believed to shield warriors from both physical and metaphysical harm. This association with resilience and protection continues to be really relevant in modern times as well. Now let's move on to black tourmaline's healing properties. One of black tourmaline's most renowned healing properties is its ability to shield against negative energies. Black tourmaline forms an energetic barrier around you, deflecting and absorbing these lower vibrations. This protective shield helps maintain a positive and harmonious energy field. Black tourmaline's grounding energy can be a balm if you suffer from anxiety, for example. It's known for its capacity to calm racing thoughts, alleviate stress, and to also promote a sense of security and helps you feel really safe. By facilitating a connection with the Earth's stabilizing energies, black tourmaline offers solace in times of emotional turbulence. This stone is definitely an ally in emotional healing, aiding in the release of negative emotions and patterns. Black tourmaline encourages self-empowerment by helping you confront and overcome challenges. Its energy fosters emotional strength and allows you to navigate life's ups and downs with greater resilience. Black tourmaline possesses the unique ability to transmute negative energy into positive energy. It literally converts negativity into a higher vibration. So this transmutation not only cleanses your aura, but it also uplifts your overall energy as well, inviting a real sense of renewal and vitality. Beyond personal healing, black tourmaline extends its protective embrace to spaces as well. So placing this crystal in your home or workspace forms an energetic barrier, creating a safe haven from external negativity. It's like having a faithful guardian that just cleanses and protects your energetic space. And its grounding qualities make it a really great companion for practices like meditation, for example. By anchoring you to the earth, it facilitates a deeper connection with your inner self and higher consciousness. This connection can lead to insights, clarity, and a heightened sense of purpose as well. One of the simplest ways to use black tourmaline is by carrying it with you. It's quite simple. Just placing a tumblestone in your pocket, your handbag, or wearing it as jewelry, as like a bracelet. You can get some really nice beaded bracelets. By doing so, you're creating like a personal energy shield that just follows you around throughout the day, which is really important if you're in environments that you're not comfortable in. You can also be quite strategic with where you put black tourmaline. So you can put it in your living space or workspace to basically create boundaries against negative energy. I think the best place to put it is by entrances, windows, doors, or corners. I mean, if you were to put it against doors, windows, and corners in your house, this would kind of create like a protective crystal grid in your home. In this crystal grid, you can also combine it with other stones like smoky quartz, hematite, or clear quartz, which all kind of enhance its shielding and protective qualities. The grid's geometric arrangement synthesizes the crystal's energies, basically like magnifying its impact. During meditation or quiet introspection, hold black tourmaline in your hand or maybe place it on your root chakra area. Its grounding influence will help you connect with the earth's stabilizing energies and just kind of help you feel calm and rooted. For those of you who are interested in energy work or psychic exploration, black tourmaline acts as a safeguard against any negative influences that may come in when you're doing this. So before beginning a session, hold or wear black tourmaline to create a protective shield that will prevent any external energies from interfering with your own as you do your spiritual work. Placing black tourmaline near your bedside or perhaps under your pillow can then promote restful sleep by creating an energetically secure space for you to just feel calm and protected. Its calming influence can help quieten the mind as well, to help you just feel like refreshed when you wake up in the morning. Now we're going to dive into how this crystal aligns with a specific energy center within our body. And for black tourmaline, this is the root chakra. So our bodies are really complex networks of energy centers, which are the chakras. These chakras play a really vital role in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Each chakra is associated with specific qualities and colors that correspond to different aspects of our lives. Black tourmaline's energetic resonance is closely aligned to the root chakra, also known as the base chakra as well. So this is located, obviously, at the base of the spine and is symbolized by the color red. So it serves as our foundation, our root, representing our connection to the physical world around us. It also taps into your survival instincts and your sense of security and self-preservation. The root chakra governs our feelings of stability, security, and being grounded. And black tourmaline's deep black color symbolizes its grounding properties, making it a natural match for the root chakra. By working with black tourmaline, we can enhance our connection to the earth's stabilizing energies, cultivate a really strong sense of security. The root chakra also influences our emotional well-being. It's associated with feelings of safety, confidence, and emotional resilience. Black tourmaline's protective energies can help create energetic fields that repel negativity, and therefore fostering like an emotional balance and the ability to navigate life's challenges. As black tourmaline absorbs negative energies, it supports the root chakra in releasing stagnant emotions and any fears you may be harboring as well. So this process contributes to quite a transformative journey, allowing us to metaphorically shed emotional burdens and embrace a renewed sense of self. Working with black tourmaline to balance the root chakra can have a positive cascading effect on the rest of the chakra system. So when your root chakra is balanced, it basically lays a stable foundation for the rest of your chakras as well, kind of encouraging them to work harmoniously too and promote an overall energetic well-being. Well, that's everything there is for today on all there is to know about black tourmaline. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. It'd be great to get a conversation going. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Stay happy and blessed be.